Hi, it's Kobus here, our camper dream. Sure, what a weird spot I'm in. As you can see, yeah, that's a death. So yeah, we are here underneath the van. And I just want to try and show you here. Okay, I've got the camera like that now. Okay, there's a toilet. So yeah, here's like a brace here that you need to take out for the toilet pipe to come in here, and then this whole thing here is going to be a place for the tank to sit. Now there you can see it now nicely. Lekker man, lekker here on the bottom. Yeah, I'm a bottom feeder. Yeah, well, there's it, there's the van, there's the hole. Yeah, let me get out of here. My job here is done.